Welcome to bringing in all of the all at RowlandBarkley.com. Those who are highly creative geniuses, researchers suddenly breaking through and discovering new and advanced versions of reality, of music, of science, to suddenly go beyond the edge. They sense that they are greater than any obstacle. Before the existence of any obstacle, they already know they are beyond. They will relentlessly research something. They will relentlessly practice. For example, even an amateur pianist would be practicing more than 10,000 hours before he would start to have the possibility of being world class. People work relentlessly knowing there is a greatness. And every time someone, say, has some emergency and they suddenly do bigger and better, they try harder. Oh, now I did my best. Now, whenever somebody did their best and there's an emergency and you have to do better, you'll find that your past best was a mere shadow of what you now are doing. So that's where the subject is. You can bring in not just all, what seems all, of your potential as a creative genius, as a spirit, but go way beyond what seems all to all, which may be 1,000 times what you thought was all. The way some people say this is, no matter what you think you are always more than that. Now that's a statement only made at the level of thinking, which is very little. At the level of no matter what your consciousness appears to be creating, you can always create more than that. No matter what your visceral self is providing in energy, it can always create more than that. Especially when each of these are flowing in harmony. So, if your wish is to be a nice amateur, well, you're watching the wrong video. This is for those that want to go beyond what they thought was the limit and then go beyond what appeared to be the limit then. And actually take responsibility for the vastness of the potential of the human spirit and the human body in cooperation. And to work with this, maybe one, maybe 3 sessions, but 3 sessions which are deep and beyond anything which can be imagined without actually participating in this. Those that are ready to take the quantum leap, you may register an appointment, and those that are not ready to take the quantum leap, may find things to study to prepare themselves. Maybe you'll be ready tomorrow, and maybe you'll need 10 years to prepare yourself. You will know that is your choice. So welcome and thank you, and we'll meet again in the all of the all.